Okay, next step for our flowers. Hibiscus usually have that center that comes out. So what we're going to do, we're going to squeeze, come out, and then go one dot, one a little smaller, and one smaller than that. This is just a tip number 3. Okay, and then with the tip, I'm going to go ahead and take it and outline the flower. The reason I do the outline last is because then this part won't interfere with that. Okay. So this one, we'll go ahead and have this come out. Okay, and I don't like how that's kind of wiggly there, so just stick the tip back in. Bring that out and fix that. Okay. Right, here it is so far with all the flowers done. I thought we'd add some leaves, and I thought, hey, why waste this yellow? Let's try, this is Maricolor Electric Green, which doesn't really need to be mixed with yellow, but let's see what color it comes out. It might make something kind of bright. Oh yeah, that's good. Let me add a little bit more. Okay, we're going to use a 349 leaf tip, which is a really, really small leaf tip. Okay. So this is what the tip looks like. It's like the really, really small bird beak, like this. That's a little tiny leaf would be like that, okay? But we're gonna do long leaves like that. Okay, so from here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna squeeze, stop squeezing, and pull the tip away. And then I'm gonna take this and come off to the side. And off to the side here. We'll do one more at the tip, just like that. Okay, then we can do one over here. Okay. And just depending how much I angle this tip, if I angle the tip a little bit more, you'll get a little bit different look. See how it's on its edge like that? Which looks kind of cool. And I'll just continue doing these around the cake.